is how long does it take to replace my teeth or complete set of teeth using dental implants? We do this all day long in our office, and sometimes it could be a simple process. It takes about 3 months, or we call it even the same day teeth. You can come in, you can get all the teeth removed, you can have implant placed, and then you can get the teeth on the same day, which may be temporary teeth. By the time you finish that with the permanent teeth, it may be about 2 months to 3 months. Or sometimes we got patients who have severe infection of the mouth. You can't even place or imagine placing an implant. So now you got to remove the teeth, do some bone grafting, let the bone completely heal before you go back and place the implant. In those cases, it might take up to about 9 months or even a year. And I got patients, they're waiting for almost like over a year and a half to 2 before they receive the final implants. So the short answer to your question is, to do a complete set of teeth or to replace your complete set of teeth, it could be as low as about the same day, or it could be as long as about a year and a half to 2. So that really depends on the case.
Yep, really varies.